Welcome to the Bailey how-to series of videos, and in this video we'll be showing you how to make up the front lounge into a comfortable double bed. Now this is a very straightforward process, and the first step is to pull out the slats which are located at the bottom of the front chest. So with the slats out, this is the easiest way that I've found to set up a double bed over the years. So I pull the slats completely out and then I probably push them back probably 2/3 or halfway. This gives me a bit more working area. So I take the back cushions, just put them out of the way. Now if your caravan has knee rolls on the upholstery, it's best to put them facing towards the outer walls. That way you won't feel them when you're sleeping. So turn the cushions over and then push them towards the outer wall. And then you get the backrest cushions that we removed earlier and you slot them into place. I'll just pull the slats out a little bit more so that they're supported, and get the other cushion, put that here, and then make sure they're nice and flat and they all line up, and then put your hand through the middle, pull the slats out, and then you have a nice comfortable double bed.